everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me today. If you are new, do hit the subscribe button. I'm just coming on to say Happy New Year. These are just for you to look at. I made these lovely paper doll tags just before Christmas, so there's a tutorial on those, and this is my graphics fairy design team project. So I'll let you see the front cover because I've shared it on Instagram. I'm going to be doing a flip through of this on the 12th of January, so make sure you watch it because it's a rather special journal. So I just wanted to come and say Happy New Year. I'm a little bit belated because I've been working on this, and also obviously, you know, Christmas for me is all about spending time with my family. My husband's actually been off work, which is ultra rare. It's like so rare. Because he's got his own business, he's never away from work. Bless his heart, he works so hard, and he's genuinely not struck a bat from Christmas Eve, and he goes back tomorrow. And so for me, it's been about spending time with him as much as anything, because he's the one member of my family I don't actually get to see a right lot of. So it's been really nice. We did go away for a few days to London, which was fabulous. We didn't catch COVID, yay! But it was so quiet because the normal fireworks had been cancelled. It was really quiet. There wasn't a lot of people about. The hotel we stayed in was in Regent's Park. It was a Marriott. It was absolutely lovely. The room was beautiful and it was nice and quiet, you know, so we weren't falling over other people. We went to Greenwich. Not been there before. It was lovely there, and there was a market, and obviously there's the Cutty-Sat, the famous ship. Where else did we go? We went to where else did we go? We did go up to Brick Lane and to try and see Petticoat Lane markets, but because we went on a bank holiday, those weren't open. But we had a really lovely time. It was really nice, and so yeah, so we're getting back to normal as from tomorrow, the 5th of January, which I think most people do. So I will be back in here, creating back to my regular tutorials. What I just do want to say is I do have several plans for the new year, which I'm keeping under wraps for now because I'm still preparing. But what I would really like to do is try and kind of encourage people to come on over to my Facebook group. It's called Creating with Scrimping Mummy, and it was originally set up when I was a Stampin' Up demonstrator to, you know, inspire people and share card making and things like that. And as my crafting has evolved, the group has evolved, and so it's now you can share any kind of crafting, paper crafting, fabric crafting, but we do like to focus on journals and journal making. So I'm hoping to, if I can get the participation to grow, I will start and do a either monthly or weekly challenge over there, and, you know, coordinate it with my YouTube channel, so that it inspires people. You know, we'll do something on here and then it will be a challenge in the group, something along those lines. So yeah, so I'll leave the link to the group in the description box below. I'm going to be doing some more design team projects this month. I've got one to do for a whimsical adventure. I'm really excited. I'm going to share the kit that I'm using with you tomorrow. It's beautiful, and she kind of made it half at my request. I'm going to say half because she designed a scrapbooking kit, so they were all, you know, in the larger layouts, and I sort of said to her that would be fantastic as a junk journal, you know, or a junk journal or traveller's notebook size. And so she went away and created it so that it would be available for journalers. So I'll share that with you tomorrow. I'm going to sit tonight and plan and a plan and a better plan of what I'm going to be bringing to my YouTube channel over the next couple of months. If there's anything that you've seen me do that you'd like me to go more in depth, leave a comment below. And also what I'm also going to be doing behind the scenes, like for this journal here, it was too long of a process for a standard YouTube video, but what I am going to do is I'm planning on doing some longer videos like an online class. So for example, the way this journal was constructed, you will see on the 12th of January, it's constructed in a different way to your standard journals, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into like a class. An online class for you to watch, basically. So yeah, that's my plans moving forward, so that I can bring lots and lots of fantastic tutorials to YouTube, and also for those that want a more in-depth look into projects. This I really fancy doing a mini album, and I've got a few other ideas of like constructing boxes and folders and things like that take a little bit more time than what you could do on a YouTube video and keep somebody's interest. People tend to like the shorter ones. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. So hopefully you're a subscriber, and hopefully you'll continue to watch. And also I will be bringing back the giveaways, and the first giveaway will be on the first week of February, because I've got to have time to make the things that I'm going to be giving away. But I do regular giveaways on my channel. I'm keeping them as secret giveaways, so you'd need to be a subscriber and a regular watcher, because they will come out of the blue, will the giveaways. So yeah, just my way of giving back. I've had a lot of stuff gifted over the last month or so, and so it's absolutely awesome. But I do use that stuff to create with, to do tutorials, and I will ultimately use those items to do giveaways of journals or albums or whatever. So keep watching. Come on over and join the group, please. I'd love to see what you create. I'd love to see, especially if anybody creates something that I've done a video on. Shoot me a message. Come find me on Facebook. Come and join the group and share a photo of what you create. It'd be awesome, because I really, really do love seeing what people make. I've got some ideas for series, like where there's more than one episode to the same thing. So there's going to be lots and lots going on over the next few months. So I hope you'll continue to watch. Thank you for all of your support for the whole entire year. It's been really lovely. And at one point I did consider giving up my social media part of my crafting. I'd never give up crafting because I absolutely love it, but I did consider giving up the social media side of it and going a bit more quiet. But you know what? I love it. I love sharing, I love doing videos, and I love getting to meet you guys, seeing your comments. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I think I'll stay a bit longer. I've only been on YouTube about 7 or 8 years. I think I'll stay a bit longer. I might as well. So thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget, hit the subscription button, and tell your friends, share my channel, share my group. I'd really like to try and reach as many people as possible, so that we can all inspire each other, because that's what it's all about. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon. Bye.